Okay, man. Welcome back to this cool lesson. You know, what I'm trying to show you guys right here is the support resistance tool, man. Support resistance tool. You know, we just wanna make a very simple strategy. 200 support resistance. 200. And this support resistance you seen on this chart is automatic support resistance. All right. So, which means what? Which means this is even showing you where the market is going, that you don't even need to sit in front of your chart and start thinking, where is it going? I will tell you something. Look, if you zoom your chart, this is what you got. And what you get or what you see here is, look at, you have seen something going on a very straight trend line up. You see this thing I'm showing you. All right, this is going up. Okay, there's no doubt about it. I don't need to guess. My head and my eye can see it and process where it's going properly. Ojú mi rí, ọpọlọ mi ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀, mo mọ ibi tó ń lọ. You know what I mean? This is the only thing you need to see. How you gonna use this support resistance strategy? Now, what do I wanna do? Kí ni nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe? À ń sọ Yorùbá nítorí pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wa náà ń wò. Èmi ò sì gbóyìnbó. Now, what you're going to do is put a line on that support resistance low, because we know this is going up, the low. Okay, let's say this is the low. I pull my green line there. Okay, so what am I going to be doing? The simple rule of a support resistance is, uh, you know, you see, when the price have bounced on it, okay, then bounce away from it. This is where you're going to enter into the trend direction. Okay, you know why? Because this is the simple rule of support resistance. The price will bounce on it. It's a level, and then bounce away from it. It's a proof of that is where the price is going. This is where you jump into the trend direction. That is how to trade support resistance. The normal simple rules. But now, in my case, why did I put a line on this low? Kí ló dé tí mo fi fi ìlà sí abẹ́ ibi? It's a level. That is where the price touches the support resistance and bounce away. So, look, it touches it right here and then bounce away. So, that is the characteristic of support resistance. After the bounce, then I jump in and go and sleep and forget about every other thing that somebody somewhere is saying. Tó bá ti gbórí síbẹ̀, lọ́sùn kó gbàgbé ariwo táwọn èèyàn ń pa kiri. Ariwo wà nú ọjà, ibi táwa ń lọ là ń fojú sí. That is the secret of your success in Forex. Know where the market is going, know the trend. What are you using as a tool? Are you using support resistance? Then know the characteristics of support resistance. That's all. Make it simple, man. Simple. It's not about something that you're gonna come make things so difficult and you make people feel like so hard to process what you displaying. Just display a simple trend line to know where the market is going and display a support resistance zone, and then that's all. Follow the rule of support resistance that, yep, price bounce on it, price bounce on the low, and then bounce away from it. Hey, jump in and go and close your ears. Any noise coming, close your window, go and sleep. The second way to use this support resistance, because I drew this line, this green line, you can see this green line I drew. What am I doing with it? I said, okay,